What's up guys, it's Pandan Mukherjee and welcome to my another video, and today I'll be talking about the Game Week 3 team selection. So the first two game weeks are already underway and now we have Game Week 3 to look up on. So my team performed pretty well in the previous game week, getting 80, which is 24 points more than the average 56, so I can call it a pretty good game week as well. So now let us look on how my team performed in the previous game week. Firstly, in goal, Sanchez kept a clean sheet, and Brighton have been brilliant till now, winning both of the games. The first game it was a blank for Sanchez, but it's good that he kept a clean sheet the previous night. And now let's come to the defense. Alexander-Arnold and Tsimikas both returned a good chunk of points. I honestly expected them to do so because they are one of the most attacking fullbacks in the league. Tsimikas has been brilliant till the point of time I've had him. In the first game week, he kept a clean sheet and getting an assist and clean sheet in this week as well. But I'll probably keep him out after the game week 3 because it's looking more likely that Robertson will come back into the first team. Hopefully not this weekend, from game week 4 onwards. So this is how my defense performed. Shaw keeping a blank yet again, just giving 2 bonus points. Alexander-Arnold and Tsimikas giving 12 and 11 points respectively. Now let's move on to the midfield. In midfield, I captained Salah, but which was definitely not a good option. But I was little tensed on how Fernandes would perform because there were many guys who captained Fernandes for this game week. But I was happy that he scored just a 1 point. Let's come to my other midfielders. Rafinha missed a sitter previous game week, scored an absolute stunner this game week, giving 7 points. Son had a blank against Wolves, which I was kind of expecting. Tony blanking as well, but the main players in my team for this game week were Benrahma and Antonio, who saved me yet again, giving 16 and 12 points. The West Ham guns have pretty good for me, at least in the first 2 game weeks. So this is how my team performed, and the bench as usual, not returning much points. So now let's move on to my game week team selection. So from the second game week, there was only one player I was not happy with, that being Ivan Toney. So let us look how my team looks. So this is how my team looks this weekend. I've got Saint-Maximin for Ivan Toney. And the rest of the team is absolutely same. Sanchez in goal, Shaw, Alexander-Arnold, and Tsimikas in mid defense. Benrahma, Son, Rafinha, Salah, and Fernandes in midfield, and Saint-Maximin and Antonio up top. The only thing I'm kind of tensed about is whether Tsimikas will play in this game week, and apart from that, the whole of my team looks pretty good. I've captained Son because captaining Fernandes against Wolves is a very risky option, and I'm definitely not captaining Salah against Chelsea. Then an alternative captaincy option was Antonio, but I prefer going with Son because Spurs are looking good this season, to be honest, which they mostly do in the beginning of the season. But let's get back to FPL. And in the bench, Ben Foster, Ben White, Scarlett, and Johnson retain their spots on the bench. But one thing I would like to clarify is that Saint-Maximin, I'm mostly having him as a 1 week punt. From the next game week, I'm looking to play the wild card because there are many players that are the most. I am just naming a few, being Salah and Rafinha in the team will most likely not play in game week 4 or 5. So I'm looking to get few players in place of them. So I'm playing a white card between gaming 3 and gaming 4, and another reason for that is the transfer window will close, and the City to Kane rumors will Kane to City rumors will slow down, and there will be a lot of changes in the teams as well. So I'll be playing the wild card between game week 3 to game week 4. So finally, this is how my team looks this weekend. Sanchez in goal, Shaw, Alexander-Arnold, and Tsimikas in defense, Benrahma, Son, Rafinha, Salah, and Fernandes in midfield, and Saint-Maximin and Antonio up top. So I hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.